For the longest time, I thought walking was enough. Every morning, I'd grab my shoes, head out to the park, and walk for 30 minutes, rain or shine. And I believed that was keeping me fit and healthy. Until one day, a sharp pain in my knee stopped me mid-step. My doctor looked at me and said something I'll never forget. Walking is good, but after 60, it's no longer enough. That line changed everything for me, and what I discovered next completely transformed my energy, my balance, and even how young I felt. Today, I'll share with you the 5 exercises that are better than walking, all surgeon approved, and specifically designed for people over 60. But before we dive in, let's understand why walking alone stops working as we age. You see, walking is great for blood circulation. It keeps your joints moving and your mind clear. But as we age, our muscles begin to shrink, a condition called sarcopenia. We lose muscle mass, bone density, and even balance without realizing it. And walking, while gentle, doesn't challenge the muscles enough to rebuild strength or stability. It's like watering a plant without giving it sunlight. Helpful, but incomplete. That's why even seniors who walk daily can still suffer from muscle loss, back pain, and slower metabolism. So when my surgeon told me that walking alone wouldn't protect my joints or keep my body strong, I listened carefully. He said, it's time to move smarter, not just longer. And that's how I discovered these 5 exercises that changed my life. The first exercise my surgeon recommended was something so simple, yet so powerful: the chair squat. He said, if you can sit down and stand up, you can do this. Here's how it works. Stand in front of a sturdy chair. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly lower your body down as if you were about to sit. Then stop just before you touch the seat and rise back up. It may look easy, but this move strengthens your thighs, glutes, and core, the very muscles that walking doesn't fully engage. After doing this daily, I noticed something incredible. My knees stopped hurting, and I could climb stairs without holding the railing. Chair squats don't just build strength, they bring back confidence in your movement. Start with 10 reps, rest, and work up gradually. Trust me, it's like giving your legs a second youth. Now, the second one surprised me even more. Wall push-ups. At first, I laughed. Push-ups at my age, but this variation is safe, easy, and incredibly effective for seniors. You simply stand an arm's length from the wall, place your hands flat, and slowly push your body toward the wall and back. This strengthens your chest, arms, and shoulders, all areas that weaken after 60, making it harder to lift groceries or maintain good posture. After just a few weeks, I noticed my back felt straighter and even my breathing improved. The surgeon explained that strong chest muscles help you breathe more deeply and maintain lung capacity. I had never thought of exercise that way before, but he was right. And if you do 3 sets of 10 wall push-ups each day, your upper body will thank you. The third exercise might sound simple, but it's the one that saved me from falling. Literally. It's called balance stands. Here's how it works. Stand near a chair or wall for support. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. Then switch sides. Repeat this a few times each day. It may not feel like much, but it trains your balance, reflexes, and ankle strength. Falls are one of the biggest risks after 60, and balance training is the best prevention. I used to wobble and lose confidence walking outdoors. Now, I can stand on one foot and even reach for things on higher shelves without fear. The key, my surgeon said, is to practice before balance becomes a problem. Number 4 was a game changer for my leg circulation. Seated leg raises. You can do this while watching TV or reading. Just sit tall, straighten one leg, hold it for 5 seconds, then lower it. Repeat 10 times per leg. This strengthens your thighs, improves blood flow, and even helps prevent swelling in your ankles. For seniors dealing with poor circulation or varicose veins, this move is like medicine in motion. My surgeon said it activates the second heart, the calf muscles, which pump blood back to your upper body. And when your circulation improves, your energy levels rise too. I started sleeping better, feeling lighter, and noticed my legs didn't ache after long days. And finally, exercise number 5. Resistance band pulls. I used to think resistance bands were for athletes, not seniors. But they are, in fact, perfect for us. Using a light band, hold it in front of you with both hands and gently pull apart, squeezing your shoulder blades together. This strengthens your back, arms, and posture, areas that walking can't reach. The surgeon said it best. Strong posture means strong lungs and a strong spine. After a few weeks, I noticed my shoulders no longer slumped forward. I stood taller, breathed easier, and even felt more confident when I looked in the mirror. It's incredible how a small stretch can make such a big difference. So why are these 5 exercises better than walking? Because walking only maintains what you already have. But these movements rebuild what aging takes away: muscle, balance, and strength. They activate every major muscle group safely, without stress on the joints. Together, they create a full-body workout that keeps your metabolism strong, your posture upright, and your heart healthy. And when you combine them with walking, the results are even better. If you're over 60, don't settle for just walking. Challenge your body, gently, safely, and smartly. Your future self will thank you. I am living proof that you can feel stronger at 65 than you did at 55 if you move the right way. Try these 5 surgeon-approved exercises this week and watch how your energy returns. And if you found this story helpful, make sure to subscribe to WellthWise, where we bring you real stories, expert tips, and powerful health habits for a longer, stronger life. Because growing older should never mean growing weaker.